Welcome back. Now that you have your audience set up and configured properly, we're going to start adding contacts. Now, one way to add contacts is to go to this tab and then click Add a Subscriber. What we're going to do now is we're going to place the contact information of the individual subscriber inside of these dialog boxes. Now, in most cases, you will not be collecting addresses or phone numbers, but if you needed to for a specific purpose, you could do that by indicating that inside of this area. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you indicate the correct designation for the person that you're adding. Mailchimp wants to make sure that you have permission from this individual in order to email them. Assuming that you do, we're going to tick that box. What we're going to also do is we're going to indicate that if this person is already inside of your audience, all Mailchimp is going to do is they're going to take the information that you've placed in here in order to update their profile. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click this box, even though we know that this individual has not been added to the audience that we have set up. One of the things you can do is identify individuals inside of your audience by creating specific tags. So for example, we can click Create a Tag, and we can create a tag based on how we came to know this individual. What we're going to do here is we're going to click Create New Tag, and then this individual that we are adding to our audience, we will have them designated with a specific tag that we can use in other places inside of our account. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Subscribe. And so this individual has been added to our audience. Now we can also add contacts to our audience by importing them from a CSV or an Excel file. And to do that, we're going to go here to this link that says Import Contacts. But once you come here, Mailchimp will tell you how to format the CSV or the text file. And basically, your CSV file will be formatted so that you have a column for email addresses, the first name, and then the last name. You also want to make sure that you have the columns titled appropriately, just as you see them here in this example here in Mailchimp. What you can also do from this page is you can download the sample CSV import file from Mailchimp, and you're going to click this link. Now when you get the format, you're going to see columns that you may not be using. So for example, you may not use the address or the phone number. What you can do here is you can delete these columns. So basically now what you have here is you have your column title, first name and last name, and you're going to write in the names and email addresses or copy and paste them from your file into this sample document. Once you do that, you want to resave the file as one you are going to be uploading to Mailchimp. Once you've done that, you'll come back to this screen, you'll click Continue to Upload, and then you will browse for your file. Once you do that, you'll click Continue to Organize. That'll bring you here to this area. You'll then select the audience you want to import to. You'll then click Update any existing contacts. And what you'll then do is you will then continue to the tagging area. You can then create a new tag, or you can use one of the existing tags that you already have. Once you do that, you can then click Continue to Match. Once you do that, you'll then click Complete Import. Now for the sake of this video, we have archived one of the contacts, but what we have now done is we have now imported new contacts into our audience. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.